We would like to give a special thanks to Radz for providing us with these products. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at The Secret Life of Pets 2. First, let's take a look at Radz blind boxes. Inside, there are 3 surprises in one: a candy bag, a collector's card, and a figurine. There are 8 figures to collect for ages 3 and up. Let's open one up to see what's inside. I think this is the collector's card. Here's the candy and our minifigure. It is a 2D rubber statue of Max. Here is the collector's card. Max does not look very happy. The candy has names like Orange Pupsicle, the Big Apple, Berry Bow Wow, and Cherry Catitude. On the back of the collector's card, you can see all the figures to collect. This one is already checked for us. We've got quite a few here. Let's see if we can get the whole collection. Okay, every one of these are a double. We have Max sitting, Max standing, Chloe cleaning her paws, Snowball, Mel, and Gidget. But there are still 2 that we are missing from the collection. They stand a little over an inch tall and can be used as decorations in the dollhouse. Don't you just love puppies? More Secret Life of Pets can be found at McDonald's. I went to McDonald's and bought just the toys. They were $2.15 each. Who's waiting for you inside? This is Gidget. It says Groovy Gidget Toy. Place her on a flat surface, then pull it back and watch her go. We have one more inside here, and it is Captain Snowball. Whoa, he is ready for action. Just place a finger in the center, and you can spin him around. At Walmart, we found a whole box of mini collectible pets from Just Play. They were $3.97 each. It looks like they come with little apartments. And there is a rare Captain Snowball. Let's open one up for a closer look. It is a cute little blue apartment, and the front opens, there's a window, and inside we have Snowball. This is a 3D figure, and it's fuzzy. Inside of the apartment, there is a collector's checklist where we can see all of the different pets. Gidget, Max, Daisy, Snowball, Tiny, Pickles, Chloe, Duke, Who, and the ultra-rare Captain Snowball. Let's open another one and add to our collection. This apartment is a different color. It's kind of like a watermelon red and a green on top. And the pet inside is a double. We have another Snowball. Wow, we've been getting a lot of doubles today. Hopefully we'll have better luck with the next one. It looks like another blue apartment. And the pet inside is... oh, not Snowball. It's Pickles. Aww, it is so adorable. And now we have 2 blue apartments that we can stack, allowing us to start our own cityscape. That is a display for our pets. I'm opening another red one so we can make our red apartment building taller. And it looks like the tiger. Whoa, it is a lot bigger than the other ones. For a side-by-side comparison, here you can see Pickles and Snowball. Let's make the red apartment building taller and open more. I think this is Gidget. I see a pink bow. And yep, she is sitting down with her tail curled and is about the same size as Pickles. We have 4 out of the 10 figures in the collection. Hopefully this isn't a double. It looks kind of like Pickles. Wait a minute. No, it's a new one. It's Daisy with a very elaborate little hairstyle. There's a little yellow flower right in the center. We are starting the second row. I hope we get Chloe because she's one of my favorites. No, it's another snowball. We have 3 now. The other one is inside of the little apartment. We are hoping for Chloe this time. Please, no more snowballs. And, oh, it's Max. Max is also larger than many of the other ones. He's even taller than the tiger. I love the fact that they come in different sizes. And this is... No, I think it's another Gidget. We have 6 out of the 10, and we still need 4 more, including the ultra rare Captain Snowball. I am getting nervous. Which one is this? Are you serious? My little army of snowballs. Gotta stay positive. Chloe is in here somewhere. Chloe's my favorite. Please let me get Chloe. No, it's another Max. Oh no, this is my last one. Do you think Chloe is in there? This one feels a little heavy, so it could be another large animal. And Chloe's kind of large for a cat. No more stalling. Let's see who it is. No! It's another Gidget. So we did not get Chloe, but we do have quite a few apartment buildings, so we can make our own little city display. These pets are just about the same size as Barbie pets, so we can totally use them in the dollhouse. And we can make them a bed by recycling the Radz box. So you know what that means? Craft time! Take the Radz candy box and remove the top. Draw a line around the box for the design of the pet bed. Cut on the lines drawn. Glue felt onto the outside, glue it over the edges, glue felt around the inside edge, cut leftover paperboard to fit inside, cover with felt, glue it to the bottom, add cord around the edge for a little decoration for a comfy no-sew pet bed. Then we can take one of our doubles, trim off the stand to make a doggy toy for our pets. And for an added bonus, flip over the stand to use as a soap dish in our doll bathrooms. Totally random, but a fun find. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at The Secret Life of Pets 2 blind boxes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.